Hello and welcome to my Pentart Playbook series. I'm Shannon from Pick and Booze Vintage, and what I'm going to do is each month I'm going to show you a different set of Pentart products and describe how to use them. Pentart Iron Paste comes in 3 different colors. It comes in red, brown, gray, and then glittering. Iron paste is a water-based paste that contains natural iron minerals, and it's designed to mimic the appearance of forged iron, metal, or even rusted iron. Perfect for creating an industrial vintage look for your projects. Simple to use. You just simply apply it with a brush, spatula, or stencil. Once it's dried, you can combine some wax paste with it, or even the rust effects kit. That will make it look so much more realistic. And once the iron paste has dried, you make sure you want to seal it. A pro tip would be to mix the colors to get a really authentic looking iron.